Welcome to BigSeller. Let's learn how to do order processing. You can manage orders from online, offline, Facebook, or some other marketplace channels. Operators do not need to switch platforms and can process multi-channel orders within one system. Additionally, BigSeller provides multiple order tools to improve order processing efficiency. Now let's try to process an order. Step 1. Pack your new orders. For new orders, we'll automatically sync to orders, processing orders, new orders list. And you need to click pack, can do by single or in bulk. You can pack 1,000 orders at a time. Step 2. Print shipping label and ship your order. After the orders have been packed, will be moved to second status in process orders. You can print shipping label, pick list, pack list, or invoice here. You can also customize shipping label or some other printing sheets in print setting. After you printed the shipping label, pack your package, then you need to click ship. Step 3. Wait for the courier to scan the package. Once you click ship, your orders will be moved to third status to pick up order. You need to wait for the courier to take the package, or you need to take the package to the drop-off point. When the courier scan it or when this order has logistic information, the order will be auto-moved to shipped. So, your orders have already successfully shipped out. Step 4. Manage return and refund orders. In Return Manage, you can process both before signing and after signing return orders. Supports handling returns and refund applications and raise disputes with one click. When you receive the return package, you can scan and stock into your BigSeller warehouse.